Hi guys, my name is Abu Adam. I'm from Super Papahas, and today I will show you how to tidy your papahas, because this is the most common questions in our store. Yes, the fact is that papahas are sent minimalized like this, and you need, when you receive it, you need to open it like this. And sometimes papahas looks not very good after delivery. Yes, it happens that the hair is tangled and the head looks not very good. Yes, I'm presenting you waiting your papakha about 2 weeks or more, and then you see this. Oh, the first thought must be, what kind of crap is it? I know that you can trust Russians or something like this. Don't worry, I will show you what you must do. We need a atomizer, water gun. Then we need to make like this. All sides and up. That's enough. Then we need to shake your papakha a little, then a little stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. That's all. That's better. That's looking very better, and now we're happy with our hats, because this is the best hat in the world, you know. Right now you are ready to the battle with Conor McGregor. I must to say a few words more. You can't wash your papahas in washing machine. You can manually wash some pieces of dirty with powder or soap like this. In general, in the Caucasus, we use such special hair brushes for papahas. If suddenly garbage got in or dirt, they all looks like this. And then you can take dog combs if you have it, or another comb that you got, and make like this in the dirty place. Then again, take our water gun and shake it one more time. Yes? Alright. That's all I want to say in this video. I will leave the links to the store below in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Put likes, ask questions. I will continue to try to shoot videos regularly and post on this channel. I must apologize for my English, but you ask it for it yourself, because there is a lot of questions in the stores. I would look at you as you speak Russian, then we will laugh together. So that's all. So subscribe and shoot Khabib time!